Hello, my name is Morgan. I'm coming at you with a little ASMR. I'm gonna go in and just cut the rest of my edges off. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! I'ma call her honey bun. I've been looking for you. Okay, so hey guys, it's Morgan and welcome back to my channel. If y'all hear my niece in the background, just ignore her. She won't let me hang up the phone on FaceTime. But today I will be doing a wig install, and I'm going to be using the Erica J Hold Me Down. This is her new one. This is in the Peach Sport Lace Trio. And I'm actually going to try to talk through this video, so bear with me because y'all know I don't talk through videos. So I just got the Hold Me Down Skin Guard, the regular Hold Me Down adhesive, and the laid off remover. I have tried these products once, and I can say I do love them, so it's not going to be like a first impressions. I love the products. And it's my first time trying a skin guard, so I like it. I like it, can't cap to you. But anyway, y'all, I recently just cut all my hair off, so it's giving EK. And it's because my edges, I don't know what happened to them, but baby, they is gone. So I figured since my edges is gone, I should just get rid of the rest of my hair. To get like this leftover glue I have on my forehead off, I'm just going to use the Lay Me Down adhesive remover. Spray some on this cloth. And then just go across my forehead. And as you can see, it's coming off. It's still kind of sticky though. Now that I got that off, I'm just going to go in with some 91% alcohol and just clean everything before I spray my skin guard. Next, I'm just going to do the Hold Me Down Skin Guard. Instructions, it literally says to clean the skin with 90% alcohol. I did 91%. Then it says spray skin guard onto clean and dry skin. The light layer helps protect the skin and can make the removal of the layers more comfortable. You have to let the skin dry completely before proceeding with the adhesive application. So, it doesn't really say how much you should spray. Should I shake it? I don't remember if I shook it last time. So we're just going to go in. Oh, okay. Y'all, it's not really a spray. It's more of a squirt out type of thing. I don't remember it being like that last time. It's literally everywhere. Okay. I don't know if I should rub this in with my finger, but I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It's a little sticky. I do about 3 to 4 layers of the Hold Me Down Adhesive Sport, but I have to wait for this to dry completely. Let's go in. Y'all, I really think that I'm gonna go in and just cut the rest of my edges off. Just because I'm not really gonna be wearing my hair out like this. And I really don't care about my edges right now. I feel like it's a time and place I can go in and, you know, try to grow them back. But I feel like right now it's not the time and place for me. So if y'all got something to say about me putting all this glue in my edges, please remember, I do not care at all right now. Okay, so this is just the wig I'm going to be using. I don't know if you guys can see the color, But I tried to do a bleach bath, and I wanted to get a little bit more browner, but it kind of has like this chocolatey brown color. And then I did like a slight skunk stripe on the side. I did a wig like this before, but it was like all black with a skunk stripe. But now it's like, you know, chocolate, and this is the skunk stripe. And I haven't worn this wig in like a year, so I'm hoping the hair still holds up. Okay, I got the wig on. Surprisingly, the tape stayed on. Now we're just gonna hot comb this bad boy into place. This lace is definitely giving a little ashy, but we just want to fix it with some makeup. So this is just what it's given as of now. This side down. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the band on it, but I think it's giving right now. I probably should have cut off more of my forehead, but I like to still be realistic. I already got the face tape on. Okay. So now that I'm cutting off my circulation, I'm just gonna let this sit for, I'm gonna do like 30 minutes because I'm about to go fold my laundry. So I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes and show you guys what it looks like unmelted in the next process. Guys, I am back. It wasn't an hour or 30 minutes or how long I said. I'm just kind of tired, so I'm trying to hurry to finish this. So we're just gonna take it off. We're gonna see what it's given. My face is so oily right now. Sorry y'all, because after I do this hair, I'm going straight to bed. First look. Okay. First look with it off, it's not bad. There is some touching up I can do, but it's not bad right now. I'm just gonna cut off these little parts that are sticking up instead of gluing them down because I don't really feel like it. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more alcohol to kind of get like the residue. Y'all, sorry I'm looking down. That's where my mirror is and I can't see on that little screen, so I need to look in my mirror. This is cute. I wish my skunk stripe came out a little bit lighter, but it's okay. I plan on wearing this hair like to the side like that, and I'm gonna cut it into like a little bob. So now I'm just gonna do my baby hairs. They're already cut, so that's like the good part about it. I think last time I wore this wig, I cut my baby hairs a little bit too short. So it's going to be a process of trying to get them how I want them this time. I am burning myself, boy. I was going to try to curl them, but I just feel like they're too short to curl right now. I said I wasn't going to curl it, but I'm definitely going to curl the bottom ones. But I'm not going to curl the top ones because they're going to be too short. So I'm just going to speed this process up because I can't talk and do my baby hairs at the same time. So... Okay, so I just finished my baby hairs. This one isn't acting right, so I'm gonna redo it tomorrow. But this one's okay. Let me go get it. So when I'm doing like my lace, cause I don't know right now, it's a white spot right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But when I'm tinting my lace, I like to go with a shade darker. So I like using this True Complexion contour palette in the shade medium to dark. And I go in with these two shades. Because if I use this shade, I feel like it makes me a little bit ashy. So I just do those two. And I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I can. It just kind of makes it not ashy. So can y'all see the difference? I hope y'all can. So then, just to seal my lace down, I am going to use this Bedhead Master Hairspray. It's only my second time using it, but actually no, it's my third time using it. The first 2 times I used it, it was really, really good. So I'm going to use it again to lock in that powder that I just put on my forehead. Just going to put my band back on it. And this time, I'm going to tie it tighter. Because I want this to really get in there and sit. Okay. Ooh, I'm always dropping something. I think I'm gonna cut it now too. I'm gonna cut it basically right here where the hair falls. I think that's a good length. Like right here. Is that even, y'all? This side a little bit longer. But I feel like I might pull it more like that. How it look from the back? Ooh. I'm gonna get the longest part from the back and kind of cut that. I hope it's going in the trash can. It didn't even hit the trash can. Now let's see what it's looking like from the back. Ah! I'm cut some more off of it. So it's not looking too bad from the back. It's not like a blunt cut, but I can't really do a blunt cut by myself, so it'll be okay. So this is just going to be the end of this part. I'm going to wake up tomorrow and finish the video. But I just don't see a point in styling my hair right now if I'm going to have to style it again when I wake up. So I'm going to cut to the next clip. It's funny, I don't even think this mic is working. Yeah, I don't think it's working. But anyway, it is the next morning. I woke up. I did my skincare. I haven't looked at the hair yet. I just have work, so I need to hurry up. Actually. Okay. So this is just the hair fresh out the bonnet. Okay, it's not bad. Let's look at the lace. I was kind of sweating last night, so. Okay. Okay, baby. I ate down. I ate down real bad. Am I giving face? I hope I'm giving face because I feel like I'm eating that up. I don't know how it's looking on y'all side, but to me, I'm eating that up. But I'm just going to go in with this foam. This is my Shine & Jam Magic Finger Setting Mousse for braiders. When I tell y'all, this is like the best foam. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy. And it still like gets like that nice, I don't know how to say, but it's still like the nice juicy curl without it being crunchy, and it still holds. I love this foam. If you ever see me use another foam, it's because I don't have this one. Or, nah, it's just because if I don't have this one. Look at that. So y'all, I don't think there's a limit to how much foam you need to use. I use a lot, especially depending on the hairstyle. I use a lot of foam. Ooh. Okay, and also to go in with the foam, I'm going to be using this Silicone Mix Shine Polisher. I love this stuff for curly hair. Love it down for some curly hair. Just like a dime, not a dime. That was like a nickel. It was like a nickel. And I'm just going to put this throughout the hair. Oh, that scared me. As y'all can see, I am running late to work. Want to make sure that you get it everywhere. Now I'm just going to brush through it. I see some parts that I kind of missed in my cut, so I'm just about to go in and cut those. Yeah. And then I'm just going to do a little bit more foam. Just a little bit. Because I kind of want to get these ends in the back of my head. And I'm going to brush through it one last time. And so this is just what the hair is given. I'm going to let it dry down a little bit. Then I'm going to come back and do my, that. I just want it to dry like this because this is going to give it like the best volume. So I'm going to just come back in maybe like 5 minutes because then it should be mostly dry. And then that's when I'll do it. So now that it is semi-dry, I'm literally just going to go like this and flip it. I don't want a real part. I just want it to give like a little flip. Just like this. And as y'all can see, I ain't used a hot comb yet. Like, it's just given. And I don't think I am going to use the hot comb. I kind of want these browner parts to be a little bit more forward. Period, y'all. That's in the video. Let me put some lip gloss on and I'm going to close it out. Okay, so guys, the lip gloss I just used is Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Oh, and Riri. I could not find the name for the life of me. So as y'all can see, this is just the final look. And I just love like a good side part that has no part. I think I'm taking it, honey, as E. King would say. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And click on that bell notification to be reminded of anytime I post a new video. And you can follow my old Instagram, but I did just make a new one. I don't know if any content is going to be on there yet by the time I post this video, but I will put it down here as Ms. Peaches. No, not Peaches. Ms. Denise. MZ.DENISEE. 2 E's on the end. Even though in real life it's not 2 E's. Okay. So I just want to say thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Deuces.